In this video, we will explore Facet's online course template. The Faculty Academic Center of Excellence at Towson has created an optional course template that you can use to build online courses. Using the template has several advantages. First, it takes the guesswork out of creating an online course because it houses all of the essentials you need to build an online course. Placeholders are included for you to easily add instructional materials. The template makes the course easy for students to navigate because of its consistent organization and structure. Our template is fully customizable as well. The faculty can add their existing Blackboard course content to the template. Lastly, Facet's template is based on quality matters standards and input from faculty. Let's take a look at some of the main areas in the template. When you first access the template, you will be taken to the announcements page, as you can see here. On the announcements page are two messages. One is a message directing faculty to a page that helps them how to use the template. And the second message is a sample announcement that you can send to students once your course is ready to go. We spent time redesigning the standard Blackboard course menu to include items that faculty and students might use more often. Okay. As you can also see on the menu, there is this item called Faculty Only. We're going to click here. The Faculty Only page includes instructions for how you can use the template, how you can modify it, move things around, change things. It also includes documentation on standard things that you might have to do as you're working within the template. We included our contact information here should you have additional questions or you run into roadblocks or you need more ideas about customizing the template. We also included an FAQ section as well. We also included an information area. In this information area, you can write a course welcome. You can change this to suit your needs. We also included an area for syllabus and schedule. You can simply upload a copy of your schedule, a copy of your syllabus, and you're good to go. And lastly, the bulk of an online course is the weekly content, so we spent a lot of time there as well. You can get to the content page by clicking on the content link from the main menu. Let's click. Once you're in the content area, you will see something that says Faculty Only Week/Unit Template along with 5 weekly folders. We included a sample weekly unit folder that helps you see what an online unit of instruction looks like. So why don't we click here? In this template, we have 5 placeholders that you can customize. So for every unit of instruction, we recommend using the following areas: an overview, a to-do list and deadlines, a materials section, an assignment discussion or assessment section, and finally a summary section. Let's take a look at the purpose of each of these individual items. The overview section provides students with an agenda for the unit or module. This is a great area for establishing the content's purpose. After that, we have the to-do list and the deadlines as well. You can list out what students should be doing during this unit, and you can tell them what assignments they need to turn in and when. The materials section houses all readings, lectures, narrated PowerPoints, and other instructional content. And this is all going to be focused in one place, which makes it easy for students to sift through and locate content. In the assignment discussion or assessment area, you can post instructions and grading criteria for any assignment, discussion, or assessment that you want students to complete for that week. And finally, a summary section is included as a placeholder to conclude the lesson with a brief bookend that reiterates what students have accomplished. If you go back to the content section, right, so this is exactly, these are the areas that you would want to have for each unit of instruction. Once you go back to the content page with the the standard folders, once you go back to the area that houses all of your course content, you can click on one of these folders and it includes all of the sections that I just mentioned. So what you can do is simply go into each item, click the arrow here, you can click edit, and you can begin adding your content as you see fit. Okay, and I'm just going to click cancel here because I'm not going to add anything. As you are working within the template, please keep in mind that you can customize it, adding your content and modifying any areas that you see fit. You can rename menu items like changing information to syllabus and content to weekly content. So I'll show you what that looks like. I can click the arrow next to content and I can type in rename link, and then I can type in weekly content, click the green check mark, and then the item has been renamed. We hope that you will consider using this optional customizable template so that you can make the process of designing your online course a bit easier for you. In this video, we have explored Facet's template, which makes it easier to design online course content. Check out our additional videos that go into depth about designing online content. Thanks for watching.